Click on the link below to see price. Bougerv 1200W Power Station. The Bougerv 1200W power station is an extremely powerful and convenient camping electric supply. Its battery can power your home for 2 or 3 days, can be recharged over 1,500 times, and offers 2x the life of a standard battery. Its 10 ports allow you to plug in devices of any type, and is silent and strong. The Bougerv 1200W power station is backed by an 18-month warranty and lifetime technical support. The Bougerv 1200W power station is capable of delivering a maximum output of 1,200 watts, making it suitable for home use. Its built-in battery management system prevents problems with the batteries, including overvoltage, overcurrent, overcharge, and overheating. The power station comes with a troubleshooting feature that tells you if the product needs to be repaired or replaced. It also features an 18-month warranty and free lifetime technical support. The Bougerv 1100 Wh power station comes with a square aluminum shell lithium battery. The batteries are not accessible, but are aligned and wired for maximum efficiency. The power station is capable of achieving up to 1,500 recharge cycles, which is twice as many as other lithium-ion power stations. Most lithium-ion power stations only support up to 700 to 900 recharge cycles. Its outputs include 3 USB-C ports, 2 barrel-style DC 5521 outputs, and 1 cigarette socket. These charging ports enable you to connect multiple devices to the station, including CPAP machines and monitors. In addition to charging your mobile devices, the power station also has multiple USB-C ports for quiet charging. The Bougerv 1200W power station has ample power for household use. The Bougerv 1200W power station has a huge capacity and offers great portability. In addition, the power station is very quiet and doesn't make any noise. It can be charged for 5 hours, depending on the battery capacity. However, the charging time for the power station will depend on the type of battery that is used. In most cases, the battery is fully charged in under 3 hours. The Bougerv 1200W power station offers a range of outputs for your devices. It includes 2 DC 5521 barrel-style outputs and a cigarette-style output. These outputs are perfect for powering a variety of electronic devices, such as CPAP machines and monitors. As it can power up to 1,200 watts, it has enough charging inputs to support multiple devices at once. Click on the link below to see price.